with or solid form of compound and enter the solid material.
Sabihin mo lang.
These are the examples.
Binalik mo yun. Binalik mo yun.
What did you?
Susunod.
Power and ball. Power and ball has mostly displayed to the water phase formula, significantly reducing the solvent in its product and below in zero colors are derived from natural pigments as well as other natural ingredients such as china clay, lime putty, and linseed oil. Ito yung example na nung nasa ko kanina, yung Faro and diba? These are the examples